How are you?
Oh, no, it's okay. I'm fine, and you?
I'm good as well.
Oh, lovely.
So this is your first session with me, is it?
Yes,
It is?
yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So I have a couple of questions for you. Can I ask them?
Yeah, sure.
I can. So first of all, do you want me to correct you?
Uh, yes, obviously, correction is must because
Oh,
I really appreciate the
okay.
correction.
Second of all, since you want me to correct you, should I stop you in the middle of the sentence and correct you, or should I wait for you to finish first?
Yeah, no. When I make mistake, then just interrupt me and make it correct.
Okay. So I should interrupt. I should interrupt and correct you.
Yes, sure, no problem.
Okay. The topic is environment and climate changes.
Oh, really interesting topic. I gonna go for it.
Okay. And there's also a side topic, which is there's a difference between living and existing. So then we'll share our views over it. So which one do you want to stick to? Environment or living and existing? Or both? We can do both as well.
Yeah, both. We can do both.
Both? Okay. So let's start with like I would rather say philosophical topic, living and existing, and then we will go to the scientific topic, climatic changes.
Oh,
That does
lovely,
it
lovely.
work?
Yeah.
Yes.
If if okay, no problem. Yeah,
Okay.
I like it.
So are you interested in
Yeah.
philosophy? You know what philosophy is?
Uh, Philosophy means darshan in Bengali, but
Okay.
something
Philosophy.
logical. According to me, philosophy is something. Philosophy is a subject, and also philosophy is something is logical, and something is believable. I think so. Can you describe this?
Yes. So philosophy is okay. Even if you do not want to go to the complete term and meaning of it, you can simply know that philosophy is when you are putting your thoughts in action, like you're pondering over your own thoughts. Okay, philosophy is study of.
Oh, I see.
Okay, if I say that I'm a very philosophical person, then I have a very deep thought process. I think about a lot of things related to world and science and anything. Does it make sense?
Oh, I
It
see.
is,
Yeah,
it is a saying
exactly.
that every scientist is a philosopher first, because you should have a very strong thought process. Einstein just saw an apple fall, right?
Oh, now
Yes.
I get. Okay, I get it.
Yes. Okay. So, do you think that there's a difference between living and existing? Is the philosophical question.
Uh, yes, I think there is a difference between living and existing, and because some, in my opinion, living is I suppose I live. I am living now,
Yes.
and existing means if I die, then my my creation must be existing among the people. Is it
Okay.
right?
Okay. What you're trying to say is right. It is not the answer to this question, but yes. When an artist dies, or when a person, everything can be art, right? Your paintings, your poetry, even
Hmm.
your notes. If you're a scientist, then whatever your discoveries were your art, right? So
Exactly.
your art lives beyond your life. It's said that your art lives beyond your life. Even when you're dead, your art lives. It stays, right?
Oh, I see. I see.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, existing is something which all living things do. If you're alive, if you're moving around, then you're existing on the face of earth, right? Right?
Yes. Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely right.
As in, you, Indrajit, exists on earth. So do I. You exist on earth and I exist on earth, but so do
Yes, I
Table and
exist on Earth.
Yes, but so do table and chair and mountains and fountains. All of those things are existing on the face of Earth, right? Aren't they?
Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah, exactly.
So what's the difference between the earphones you're using and you?
Uh, I, in my opinion, earphone, this is the thing that I use only and I know it only because I am using it. But if I create something innovative and create something new, then everyone get known about that. And obviously, by which, with the help of those things, uh, I will be recognized among the
Yes.
people.
Yes.
And
Yes.
even also, I can I am a living person, and earphone is a non-living person, non-living thing. Sorry, non-living thing.
Exactly. Yes. So that's the difference. That's the difference. Your earphone and you both are existing, but you are living and your earphone is not. So there is
Yes,
a difference between
yes.
existing and living. Some people just exist. It's said that they
Okay.
just exist. They just get up. They don't have a life of their own. They do their
Actually,
daily.
I dislike those things. I really dislike. I strongly dislike those things because uh, I want to do something new. I want to do something innovative, and I want to make our day newly so that it should not be bored to me. It should not be boring to me. I think.
Yes. It shouldn't be boring for you, right?
Yes, boring
It
for me.
shouldn't
Yes, yes.
it shouldn't be boring for you. Your life should have some thrill, right? Right?
Exactly, exactly. I
Okay.
want to explore my life.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So if we learn any new word in our session, what I do is I type it down in our chat box. Okay. Is it making
Yeah,
sense?
yeah. Sure, sure, ma'am.
So
Sure.
what happens is that when the session
Yes.
ends, you can simply take a screen snap of the chat box. Does it make sense?
Okay.
So that way you
Yes,
will
ma'am.
have little notes of the session. So in case you want me to write anything important or make any particular note for you in the chat box itself, do let me know. So that by the end of the session, you have a couple of notes. Okay. If you look at the chat box, I have written a zest, a
Okay,
word
okay.
zest. Okay. And now I'm writing ambivert.
Okay, ma'am. I see only jest.
Yes, I'm writing ambivert.
Okay, okay, yes.
Okay. So do you know what zest is?
Jest, I know this word, jest mean strong desire, like that.
No. There are two meanings of zest. One is the peel of certain fruits, like lemon. So the peel of lemon is called lemon zest. Okay?
Oh,
Okay. And the
okay.
other meaning of zest is full of life.
Oh, full of.
Okay. So when you said that you want your life to be, full of thrill, something new each day, learning something new, discovering something, doing something for the society. So you are full of zest. You're full of life, right?
Oh, okay.
Also, you can say, I want my life to be full of zest and energy. I am full of zest and energy. Okay?
Okay, okay,
Yes.
yes. But
Learn
I,
something new.
this is really interesting word.
Yes. And
Yes.
you said what ambiverts are, right?
Ambivert. Yeah, what is the
Yes.
meaning of that?
Okay. Have you heard of introverts and extroverts?
Yes, yes, I know.
Have? Yes. So introverts are people who like staying indoors with themselves, and
Mm.
extroverts are people who want to meet a lot of people, right?
Yes, yes.
Now, even an introvert does go out, does have a job, does work every day, and meets a lot of people. But if given a choice, he or she would rather sit indoors and spend the day by themselves, right?
Oh,
Right? And an
yes.
extrovert might be a librarian. Extrovert might have to keep quiet all day and not meet anyone.
Mm.
But if given a chance to, they would go out and have fun. They'll party,
Okay, okay, okay.
right? Now, an
Yes.
ambivert is a mixture of both. An ambivert is someone who can go outside and meet people, and who would also prefer staying indoors and spending time by themselves. Okay.
Okay. I
So
see. Yes.
yes. So I'm an ambivert who's more towards being an introvert. So I just stay
Okay.
indoors. I have a lot of time in hand, so I utilize it in whichever way I can.
You are so innovative.
I'm not innovative. I'm an ambivert. What are you? Since I defined this, now you tell me, what are you? Are you an ambivert or an extrovert or an
I was introvert when I was younger, but now I am extrovert. I became extrovert.
Now you became extrovert. Okay. Since it's your first session, there's certain things we need to work on. Some of your
Yes,
pronunciation.
yes,
Can you do
sure,
that?
sure, sure.
Right? Can you say was for me again? Was.
Was,
Yes. Was. Okay.
was, okay, was, I was.
Now, and can you say became again? BECAME, became.
Became,
Became.
became.
Okay. Yes. Now you need to repeat. I was an introvert. I became an extrovert. Then I became an extrovert. Yes,
I was an introvert and I became an extrovert. Yes.
Eventually. So you was an introvert.
Introvert.
Word. Not, you said word. It's introvert. Okay. So I was an introvert and I eventually became. Yes. Tell me.
Extrovert. Okay.
Tell me, you were repeating.
I was an introvert and I became eventually extrovert.
I eventually became. I eventually became
extrovert.
An extrovert.
An extrovert.
Perfect. Okay. So you look like a student I've already taught. I don't know how is that possible. So
I really don't know.
It's all right.
How it is possible, but nice. It was really lovely to meet you.
Same here. We still have
because I had been using Clappingo over 2 months. Then my university exams were conducted, so that's why I had to cut it. But now today I resume this again.
Okay.
You are the first tutor on Clappingo after resuming this platform. So
okay, so after you came back to this platform, I'm the first tutor you have picked up. Okay.
Yes,
did you choose me or did Clappingo allot your session with me?
I selected you.
Okay. Perfect. Thanks a lot. So since only 3 minutes are left now.
Yes.
3 minutes, yes. So any doubt you have before the session ends? We could not cover up the other topic, climate change. I'm so sorry.
No problem. Next time let's.
Yes.
And I want to ask you that how do I improve my pronunciation, because I am Bengali person, so I have a strong Bengali accent. So that's why I think there is a problem to utter these words.
See, I'll tell you that having Bengali accent is not incorrect. Okay, that is perfect. Everyone has a different accent. You do not focus on changing accent up until absolutely necessary. What we need to focus on is the pronunciation of the word should be correct, right? So you can stick. There's a difference. See, I might have a certain accent, but if I pronounce a word incorrectly, it has nothing to do with my accent. So we will be working on your pronunciation whenever we have new sessions.
Sure.
Okay. What I want you to do is, I want you to take any book of your choice. Try not to use newspapers for this activity because they have very heavy vocabulary, but otherwise any book, any novel, any magazine. I want you to read it out loud in front of a mirror. Okay. When there's a comma, take a little pause. When there's a full stop, take a longer pause. Modulate your voice when there's an exclamation mark, and focus, because that way what will happen is that you will learn how to speak a completely correct sentence with the correct kind of voice modulation, which you already have, by the way. You know how to express yourself in English. I just want you to work on your pronunciation. And if there's any word you think you haven't pronounced correctly or you do not understand the pronunciation of, you can ask me, you can ask any Clappingo tutor, or you can use your Google, right? And I will be correcting you as and when we have a session. Perfect.
Sure, ma'am. Sure. Take care.
The
Stay safe.
automat has stopped.
Hope see you soon again.
Sorry?
And hope see you soon again. And keep smiling.
Hope you?
Hope see you soon again.
Hope to see you soon again. Hope to?
Okay. Hope to see you soon again. Okay. Great.
Yes.
Thank
You do
for
keep
correction.
smiling.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.